Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sonny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID if it's not working or not recognizing your face on your iPhone. We'll go through several simple fixes, so try them one by one until Face ID starts working again. First, check the TrueDepth camera area at the top of your iPhone screen. Make sure the dynamic island or notch area is clean and isn't being blocked by dirt, fingerprints, a case, or a poorly fitted screen protector. You can gently clean this area with a soft, dry microfiber cloth. Next, open the camera app and switch to the front-facing camera. Make sure the front camera is working normally. If everything looks good, the next thing to try is restarting your iPhone. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, and select Shut Down. Turn your iPhone back on and test Face ID again. If Face ID still isn't working, open Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter the passcode you use to unlock your iPhone. First, check that Face ID is enabled for the features you want to use, such as iPhone Unlock, App Store purchases, or other supported apps. If Face ID continues to fail, scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. Once it has been removed, tap Set up Face ID. Hold your iPhone in front of your face and follow the instructions on the screen to scan your face again. Make sure your entire face is visible and that you're holding the iPhone at a comfortable viewing distance. After setting up Face ID again, test it. If the problem continues, check for an iOS update. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, install it and then test Face ID again after your iPhone restarts. If Face ID still isn't working, you can try resetting your iPhone settings. Go to Settings, General-Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode if requested. This will not erase your personal photos, videos, or apps, but it will reset system settings, so you may need to configure some settings again afterward. Finally, try a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up. Then quickly press and release volume down. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears, then release the button. Once the iPhone starts back up, test Face ID again. If Face ID still doesn't work after all of these steps, especially if you see a message saying there's a problem with the TrueDepth camera, the issue may be hardware related, and the iPhone may need professional service. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.